Hi guys, Chia from ProDrones. So this is the rooftop of our office, right? You can take a look around. Now that's my team, and today we're here to talk about this. So this is the new Dock 2. We actually did a sample installation up here on the roof. So what is the Dock 2? Now imagine if you have jobs using drones in places where they're hard to reach, or you're going to have repeated jobs. You don't need your guys to travel very often from, let's say, a certain distance. So what you can have is this box placed strategically near your site, and you can actually remotely operate it to do whatever jobs that you normally send your team to do. So you can pre-program it. As long as the box has electricity and an internet connection, what you'll be able to do is to have it remotely operated, either manually or autonomously, and the results of your job will be sent back to you online. So you can do all these tasks remotely, and if you have multiple of these boxes, they can even be done simultaneously. So imagine if you have construction sites or solar farms or specific traffic junctions that you want to monitor activity at, say, 12 o'clock, or progress or conditions at a specific time. You can actually trigger multiple of these boxes to work for you at the same time, and then you collect the data later to be processed back in the office. The data can be stored in here. There is an 80 gigabyte storage in the box, and then the data will be transferred from the box to cloud. If you control it via Flight Hub 2, it will go into your Flight Hub 2 storage, and from there you can either process it or download it to be processed locally on your PC. So the drone in the box concept means there's a drone in the box. So in the box, you will have this, the M3TD. It comes in two flavors, the M3TD and the M3TD Thermal D. Right? Essentially what this drone is it has an RTK already fitted, and it's an IP rated version of the Mavic 3 Enterprise. So you find the exact same payload specifications as per the M3T and the M3E. Now, although it's similar to the M3, the first thing you'll notice is that the battery isn't the same. It's a special battery with a cooling system built in, and with a locking system and a weatherproof sealing system. Right? The battery is rated for 400 cycles. And although the drone already has an RTK hatch here, it does have an accessory point here. So the possibility of adding accessories is still there. Alright, so I've turned the box off so that at least you can hear me speak. As you can see, the box is actually a very simple one, and it has a lot less moving components. This time it's just the covers. There's no mechanism necessary to position the drone. It's all built into the housing itself. Things to note is there is a camera here with its own light, so that you can see what's going on during takeoff and landing, day and night. Outside there's a camera and light as well with the anemometer, so you get real-time wind speed measurements. There is also a built-in rain, temperature sensor for the outside, humidity sensor, and temperature sensor on the inside. The temperature sensor on the inside not only keeps track of the temperature, but also automatically activates the internal cooling system, which helps cool the drone down so that charging times are reduced, as well as maintaining a more hospitable environment in the case. Now, the dock solution is made up of three parts. One is the drone, second is the dock, and the third is the Flight Hub 2 software, which we'll take a look back in the office.